You searched how to buy shares of Summit Midstream Corp. Summit Midstream Corp operates midstream energy infrastructure and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SMC. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by submitting an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker SMC to find Summit Midstream Corp. Select the result that matches the company name and NASDAQ listing to ensure it's the correct stock. On the stock page, check the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm it's Summit Midstream Corp. Verify the NASDAQ exchange and the SMC ticker so you are on the right asset before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for execution when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A soft reminder, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform.